Hi, Linda Zuckerman here. Welcome to Lesson 3, Know Your Community, which is the final lesson in the Getting Started module. You will be spending some time getting to know your community. This lesson should take about 45 minutes to complete. We will be discussing why it's important to keep track of trends in the community, and we'll be brainstorming about what some of the trends you are seeing right now. An organization that doesn't understand what's going on with its customers is in danger. The last thing that libraries want to become is like Blockbuster in an age of Netflix or a department store in the age of Amazon. You often come across people who believe that libraries are no longer relevant in the age of Google and Amazon. One way that libraries can differentiate ourselves from Google is that we have the ability to know our communities on a very fundamental level. To do this, we need to think outside our library walls. We need to understand our customers, both those who come in the library and those who don't. Understanding trends also helps libraries adjust their priorities to match the needs of the community. By understanding how our communities change, libraries can become involved in helping to address the needs of our neighbors and rapidly bring resources to bear in a crisis. Finally, understanding trends will help us identify potential partners. We can then work together to meet our mutual goals. Please read the following. From ALA's Libraries Transform website, read the case study from the Spokane Library District. This will help you understand the need for library staff to be outwardly focused to remain an integral part of their communities. In addition, please read your library strategic plan. This will also tell you a little bit about the trends that your library sees as important and how you are marshaling your resources to address them. Next, you'll be brainstorming with your colleagues and supervisor about the trends you're seeing in your community. Come up with at least 3 to 5 important trends. What evidence do you have that show these trends are at work? In the trend discussion forum following this lesson, describe an important trend in your community. What evidence do you have of this trend? And how is your library addressing it? Limit your post to 250 words, and be sure to comment on another staff member's post. By the end of this first week, you should have fully completed lessons 2 and 3, including posts to the discussion forums and responses to at least one other student in each forum. You have up to 10 weeks to complete lesson 1 and the discussion forums associated with it. Once you have completed all your discussion forums, Blackboard will indicate that you have completed the module. If you have any problems or questions, be sure to contact the LATI coordinator, me, Linda Zuckerman, or the LATI virtual assistant, Laura Allen, through Blackboard. Also, be sure to save your notes. We will be using this information in advanced LATI on some of our projects. Please go on to the next module after you've finished lessons 2 and 3. See you in the next module.